Hey guys! If you want to learn how to use the new updated model of Ideogram AI, this video is for you. As many of you know, Ideogram AI is the best free image generator at the moment. In my opinion, it's the best mid-journey alternative I would recommend, and I have a lot of tutorials about this tool already. Ideogram recently released the biggest update, including new features and a new improved model. Today, I will be testing it and showing how to switch to this new model. Let's begin. First of all, we obviously need to go to ideogram.ai, then log in with your account, or create one. In my case, I will log in with my Google account. Now you will see all the images generated by everyone. Since your generated images will be public by default, we can click any image to see the prompt used or even download it. In my case, I will copy this prompt right here to do the tests. I will just paste it at this field right here. As you can see, it says Model 2 is available. That's what we will be using today. They also released a paid plan with new improved features, but it costs $20 per month. To use the Model 2, we will need to click this button right here. It will display this menu, and here we can choose between Model 1 or Model 2. For this example, I will generate the images using this new improved model, and then I will switch to Model 1 to see which one is better. Just click this Generate button and wait. Now the AI automatically generated 4 images of a boy in graduation cap, with an anime 3D style as I described it. You can see how good they look. You can pick the one you like the most and download it by clicking this download button. This will allow you to save any image at a very high quality and without watermarks. Now I will do the exact same test. With the Model 1, I will be using the same prompt. Let's see what I get. You can see the images are not perfect. Those are still pretty good, but they don't even have that 3D render style, and the face is not perfect in some of them. So as you can see, the Model 2 is really good. You can even get better results and features with a paid plan. I might buy it soon. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.